Hello everyone, welcome to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Kieran and I'll be your instructor for today. In today's episode, we're going to show you some cool features that GPT-4o can perform to maximize financial data analysis and web development coding. I'm going to walk you through two short examples that me and Ishan thought were extremely cool and can come in handy for you in your work and personal scenarios in the future. So let's get right into it. To get onto ChatGPT-4o, we simply select it in the drop-down menu right here. It looks very similar to the normal ChatGPT-4, but this is a mandatory step to unlock the cool new features. Okay, so now we're in. Let's drag our data that we'll be analyzing into the chat. Once it is fully loaded, we will press upload. As you can see, once it is finished uploading, this new technology allows the data to be interactive, where I can see what is being included in my data in an easy view, unlike the normal ChatGPT-4. As you can see here, I can travel through my data. So the chat is asking me which sheet from the Excel workbook do I want to analyze. I'm going to go ahead and type orders, because that is the data that we want to focus on. It then lists out all the columns that are in that sheet for me to easily see and now have a good idea of what I'm working with. I'm going to prompt it to show me what is the average amount of sales per country. Let that load. And there you have it, an interactive chart that displays all the average sales per country. It is extremely detailed to the decimal point, as you can see here in all of the averages. Lastly, for this example, let's go a little further. I will prompt the chatbot to create a pie chart to analyze segment-wise profit distribution. As you can see here, it is exactly that and creates a nice and interactive chart that I can use for a presentation or daily financial reporting in a few seconds. We think this is a phenomenal tool for financial analysts because it eliminates the time wasted sifting through the data to understand what it entails and what needs to be done. Everything is so easy with a simple prompt and can save you hours of precious time as it has the capability to build its own visuals and crunch data. Okay, so our second example, I'm going to show you how ChatGPT-4o can benefit coders and web developers. This feature is really helpful and can save lots of time when having to create a website for your company tailored to your liking. We're going to go over to the Apple website since I really like the design and take a screenshot of this format of this promotional banner. Now we have the screenshot. We're going to upload this into GPT-4o and prompt it to show me the code of this promotional banner. As you can see, it writes out the code for us, which saves so much time for web developers and coders looking to create something similar to what another website has. This allows a fundamental framework to already be made for us, and then it can be edited tailored to the company's needs. Lastly, I can also tell it to create a similar design to this promotional banner, and GPT-4o has the technology to generate an image of a new promotional banner that is different from the screenshot that we took earlier. It can then also write a new code for this design. All in all, we think this is such a neat feature due to the way it makes tasks so much easier and employees or business owners more efficient at time usage. Obviously, there are many more ways you can utilize this new technology to maximize your efficiency. We recommend you trying ChatGPT-4o yourself so you can become proficient with the tool as it's getting stronger to stay on top of the AI trends. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time.